Hi, here's an easy way to attach charms to a journal page. You'll need a 1.5-inch square piece of paper, a large paper clips approximately 5 centimeters or 2.78 inches long by the 1/2 inch wide or 1 centimeter wide. When attaching it to the paper, you want to take the long side of the paper clip and bring it all the way down to the edge of your square piece of paper. Then apply your glue. I'm using art glitter glue. And you're going to fold the piece of paper in thirds. Here's how it attaches to a piece or a page in your journal. After I've attached the charm using a jump ring or ball pin, you can add an embellishment to match your journal page. And then on the back side of your paper clip, it can be used as a tuck spot. The charms or the paper clip are easily movable to wherever you need it on the page. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.